let me see who I'm gonna watch on YouTube today. Who at the door? Let's go see. Kemimoto, y'all. Hey, let's get into the video, y'all. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? Hey, Kemimoto hit me up on, emailed me and asked me if I want to be sponsored by them, and you know, it took me a little while to answer back, and I went on and said, yeah, I'll do it. So y'all know it's cold outside and you need your heated gear. You definitely need that. You need your gloves, you need your socks. Let me show you what they sent me. I already took the hoodie out the bag, y'all, and out of the box, y'all. This is the box here. It come with the charger. It come with the manual as well. Y'all, this is a great jacket here. Here's where the battery goes right here. And this is the battery here. And I think you get up to at least 4 to 6 hours depending on, you know, what you got the charge set on right there. You just plug it in right there and you got a power button on the side right here. So y'all, I might need to charge this up. So yeah, we're gonna rock it and see what's going on with it, and put it to the test, y'all. But look at the inside of this hoodie, y'all. Is this velvet?
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
Yeah, this is clean, y'all. It's comfortable. Man, it feel like suede, y'all. I wouldn't even say, but it's kind of like a zip up hoodie, but this actually feel like suede. And I think this come in 2 different colors as well. They could come in a gray as well. This feels so good. I mean, it's just like suede, y'all. And it fits really good. This is one of them days like 60 degrees, 50 degrees, and you just want to put on something light. Oh man, this feels really good. The material is really nice. And another thing, let me show you, come on, baby. That's you're gonna be able to see this right here. It's like Power Rangers, you know what I'm saying? Then you got the blue, you got the green. Then if you just want to get this hotter in the front or whatever, you can do that. You can take that off, it's get too hot in the front. You can get it before it's in the back. I mean, this is perfect for outside. If you just want to go for a walk and you like to walk in the winter time, this would be great for that. So yeah, man, we're gonna put it to the test. Heated gloves, and you got your battery pack here. I think you got your 2 battery packs in here. You see, I hadn't even opened up this stuff yet, and I'm gonna put this to the test today. Yeah, it comes with 2 batteries right here, and they go right here as well. And like I said, we're gonna put this board to the test, and you just plug it up on the side here, and you just stick back in the slot, and you see that the lights came on after you plugged it up. And let's see, and you see it got the settings here, and the one thing about this, it's got the 3 different settings on it as well, and they got the red, the blue, and the green. So the green, y'all already know that's the lightest heat you can get right there, but the red is the heat that's gonna get really hot. But we're gonna put this to the test right here today. Kemimoto make great heated gear. If you hadn't checked out Kemimoto, hey, you definitely gotta check them out. And check this out, we got the heated socks. You definitely need heated socks. So yeah, man, this is gonna be really nice. And I'm gonna get all this put on right here. Oh, they really thick right here too as well. And you need that in the winter time. And this is where the battery pack is gonna go. This is the connector here. I'm gonna tell y'all one thing that I like about battery operated heated gear is when you get off your bike or get out your car or whatever you riding on, your Can-Am, that's when you really want that heat, when you need this heat, because you walking around in the cold, you might want to walk outside in the winter, go jogging or whatever, and you got your heated gear, man, you might want to go hunting. So yeah, this would be perfect for it. And then also come with the batteries as well. This is the batteries. And you got your charging cable here, and pretty nice size battery. And I'm gonna have to read up on here and see how many hours this actually lasts itself. And you just put it here and it's flush with it. And you see the battery, like the light came on after I plugged it up. And you got an on and off mode here. That's the mode you want to put it on. Like 3 is probably the hottest. Then you got 2. I always rock mine on 2s because if you put it on 2, it lasts a little while longer. Like this, I will put it on blue. I will put it on the blue because it lasts a lot longer. So yeah, great package here from Kemimoto. I love it, love it. I mean, these are actually really thick, y'all. So y'all might want to check this out. I can feel a heating element on the bottom of this right here. So yeah, so y'all, we're gonna jump on the bike. We're gonna go take a ride, and we're gonna give you the true test on this car. It's cold here in Texas, so let's go ride, baby. I'm testing this Kemimoto heated gear out, and y'all, it feels great. I should have put my vest over this like I normally do when it's cold. I will put my hoodie over this. I mean my leather vest when I wear a hoodie. And y'all, you can feel the heat. I got it on my feet, and I got the gloves on medium. And one reason I rock them on medium is so that it will last. I came from Daytona one time with some heated gloves on, with battery operated, and I made it to Texas because I wore it on the lowest settings. Now, if it's real cold in your state, you might want to, juice it up, and but here in Texas, it's cool right now, but I know January and February, I still ride, and it's gonna be really cold. So I just want to come out here, give y'all a test, and the heat on my feet is up under my feet and kind of toward my toes. It feels really good. So your feet won't freeze out here. And then especially if you got lowers on your bike and the heat is not just hitting directly, the wind is not hitting directly on your feet. So yeah, that helps 100 times fold right there. So yeah, I just want to come and give a ride review on this, y'all, and it feels really good. Yeah, I can feel the heat on my back, but I know if I had my leather vest over this and had it zipped up, it would be a lot closer to me. But yeah, the gloves feel really good. They're not too bulky at all. They don't feel bulky at all. Like I said, I got them on the lowest setting right now. And they feel really good, y'all. No joke. So you can't go wrong. I know a lot of people frown on some of this right here with the battery operated stuff. They wonder how long it's gonna last. Yeah, how long you gonna ride when it's cold? How far you gonna actually go when it's cold? Me, probably about the furthest I would probably go. I'm gonna say myself probably 4 to 5 hours, maybe 6. So yeah. But it actually feels really good. I can feel the heat on me right here on my stomach and on my back. And I feel the heat, like I said, the heat on my tip of my toes. All right, y'all, I'm back in the garage, and this worked perfect, y'all. Especially if you put a leather vest on like I wear over these. You got great pockets on here, and you can tell this, man, this is not regular. This is almost like suede, y'all. Great material, and it stays warm. The gloves work phenomenal too as well. I just put them on like a medium setting, and on this right here, I did put this one on the neck right here. I put it on high so I can get the air on my neck, you know, the heat on my neck. Just put them like that right there on the green and the blue, and you can turn it off right here. Let's turn the whole thing off. It's got a little light right down here, and the socks work well as well. Let me show you some on the socks. Let me show you some on the socks. They got a little deal here. It's just magnetized. Look at that. It's just like that right there. Let me turn them off. They still on. So yeah, and it just slides right in the pocket, real easy, y'all. Real easy. So yeah, man. Kemimoto. Make sure you go check them out. I will put a link down in the description so you can go check out their website, and they got quite a few. I think they even have plug-in heated gear right now too as well. So, but y'all, Kemimoto is on point. I want to thank Kemimoto for sending this out to me. I really appreciate you all for trusting me with the product. So y'all, we're gonna end the video right here. Happy New Year, happy Kwanzaa, happy everything, happy Jesus Day. Hey y'all, until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one. I'm out. Peace. Love y'all.